Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Cyber Hacking Breaches Prediction and Detection Using Machine Learning, which is an IEEE 2023 conference paper. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So in this project, the authors have proposed a cyber hacking breaches prediction model using various models that is available in the machine learning, but we are not going to implement the same as mentioned in the base paper. So let us see about our proposed model. So we have implemented using the Random Forest Classifier. So the cyber hacking breaches prediction and detection using machine learning model that we have implemented is a Random Forest Classifier, and the training accuracy that we have achieved is 99% and the test accuracy that we have achieved is 91%. So this is the base paper title, and or you can use our proposed title, that is enhancing cybersecurity, predicting and detecting cyber hacking breaches using machine learning and Random Forest Classifier. This is the IEEE base paper abstract, and this is our proposed abstract. So we all know that due to the increased availability of the computation resources and the fast availability of the internet, the number of users are increasing day by day. The same way the cyber security issues are also booming day by day. So to overcome the cyber security threats, the only way is to prevent them or to know to the user before they have been affected. So here we are going to propose a cyber hacking breaches prediction and detection model using the Random Forest Classifier. So here the model is going to be trained up with a huge data set which contains around 5457 URLs, which is encompassing about 87 extracted features in it. So this URL has divided into equal composition of 50% of phishing URLs and 50% of the normal, that is legitimate URL in it. And the training accuracy that we have achieved is 99% and the test accuracy that we have achieved is 91%. So this is all about mentioned in the proposed abstract. So first let me show you about the data set part. So this is the data set that I was discussing about, so which contains around 5457 data set records with the URL trained up with, and which contains about the 87 extracted features. So here you can see the features, the ID, URL, length host. So in this way it has around 87 features. So this has been the data set that we are going to train up the model. And here in the document you can see about the existing system and the disadvantages of the existing system. These are all about the disadvantages. Then you can see about the proposed system and the advantages of the proposed system. And here in the system architecture you can see the data set is given for the training and using the Random Forest Classifier. The predicted result will be like phishing website or it is a legitimate website. So the final thing is like performance analysis and graph part. So we have developed this project in Python 3.10.9. So before executing, make sure that you have fulfilled the requirement that is mentioned in the requirements file with the exact version of the Python and the libraries installed in your system. Now let us see the execution of the project. So just go to the source code location, copy the source code location. Now first go to your command prompt. Now go to the drive location where you have pasted the code. In my case I have pasted in F drive, so I'll go to the F drive first, then type cd space and paste the location that we have copied and enter it. So now we are into the source code location. Now type python app.py and click enter. Now kindly wait for a few minutes. So now you can see the URL. Just copy this URL, go to any of your browser. I'm going to Chrome and paste it. So now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title Cyber Hacking Breaches Prediction and Detection Using Machine Learning. So first go to the login menu. So in the login menu, if you click the login menu, it will be navigated to the login page. Kindly note that this is a static login page because we have not used any database in the project. So just enter the default username and password as admin and admin. and then click the login button. So now you can see the login success message and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the upload part where you need to upload the data set. So as I shown you earlier, so it is available in the source code folder. Just select the upload.csv file and then click the upload button. Now kindly wait for few minutes. It takes some time because there are many data available in the dataset part. So it takes few minutes to load the thing completely in the preview part of the browser. So now after some time you can just scroll down till the end of the page and you can find this click to train or test, and just click this and kindly wait for few seconds then. And now you can see the training finish message and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the prediction part where you need to enter the URL to which you wanted to predict whether the cyber hacking breaches is made or not. So you can just go to the dataset part and you can check it, or we have given you few test cases in the test data. You can just copy that and you can also test with that. So let me show you that. So first let me show you with the let me copy this URL and paste it, and now let me click the predict button, and now you can see the prediction result is phishing. So let me find whether I am having antivirus in my system. So now let me find whether it is predicting or not in my system. So now let me go to a window and just paste the URL that I have copied. So now you can see it is detecting that the threat has been occurred in the system and it is blocked. So this is not a part of the project. This is detected by my antivirus that I am. So this is a sample I am showing you. So this is not a legitimate website. So it is a phishing website, or it is a cyber hacking breach website. So for that purpose I have shown you that one. So now to check again with some other case, just go to the prediction menu again. Now let me enter a website called jpinfotech.org and click prediction. So now you can see the predicted website is legitimate. It is not a hack, that is a phishing one. So now let me show you with this case, and then click the predict. So now you can see the predicted website is a phishing one. And now let me show you with this website and click predict, and here you can see it is predicted as the legitimate. So now let me go for this case and click predict, and now you can see the predicted website as a phishing website. So earlier we have already developed a project called phishing detection in using machine learning, but in that project we have not trained up with any URLs. So using only the features it will be predicting, but here we have trained up with the around 5500 URLs. So based on the URL that we have trained up with, it is predicting. So this is the difference, and also the model is different. So here we have used random forest model and there we have used different model. So this is the difference between the earlier one and this one. So whichever you wanted you can use. Here it is going to detect with the data set that we have trained up with, that they have used the feature part. And finally I will show you with the, so now let me take this website and just select it and then click predict, and now you can see the predicted website is legitimate website. So in this way you can check with the data that is available in the test data or in the data set that we have trained up with. So I'll show you with the other cases also. So now let me go to the upload.csv. This is the data set that we have trained up with. So here randomly let me select an URL and let us check for that. So now let us check for this URL. Just copy this URL, and now let me click predict, and now you can see the printed is phishing. So I have shown you with the cases from both the case that is phishing and legitimate. In this way you can also check with the other URL that is available in the data set. So now let us move to the next part, that is the performance analysis part. So once if you click this performance analysis part, it will be navigated to the performance analysis, where you will be having the performance analysis parameter like recall, F1 and precision value. So this is the recall and F1 precision value for the both the case, that is legitimate and the phishing one. And here you can find the confusion matrix with both the classes with the true on the printed label of it. And final comes the chart part, and kindly note that this is a static chart because we have not used any database in the project as mentioned earlier. So this chart has been depicted from the data set that we have trained up with. So this data set that I have intimated before, that contains of 50% of phishing website URLs and 50% of legitimate URLs. So that has been depicted here in the chart part. So this does not vary even the input you are giving some different input. So this is a static chart of it. So now let me log out, and this is all about the project cyber hacking breaches prediction and detection using machine learning. And thank you for watching.